नमस्ते बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं पाठ क्रमांक 1। पाठ का नाम प्रार्थना। सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी लेसन नंबर 1, लेसन नेम प्रार्थना। सो व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ प्रार्थना? सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज यू मीन बाय प्रार्थना? प्रार्थना is nothing but prayer. We all pray at home. We all pray to God. Yes or no? Yes. So we will be seeing in this lesson, we will be seeing what we should pray and why we should pray. We should be able to pray daily. We should pray to God daily. Yes or no? Yes students. तो बच्चों, आज हम इस कविता में पढ़ेंगे, प्रार्थना के बारे में अच्छी तरह से पढ़ेंगे। हमें प्रार्थना क्यों करना चाहिए और प्रार्थना किस लिए करना चाहिए, यह हम पढ़ेंगे। तो बच्चों, हम पहले से पहला वाक्य पढ़ लेंगे। So students, so we will be reading first line. What is the first line? विनयी बनाओ. They are telling विनयी बनाओ. What they are praying to God? Oh God, please make us विनयी. What is the meaning of विनयी? विनयी means polite. They are praying to God, oh God, please make us polite. विनयी बनाओ. Next line. अगला वाक्य, विजयी बनाओ. They are praying to God, विजयी बनाओ. What they are praying? Oh God, please make us successful. So first two lines says विनयी बनाओ, विजयी बनाओ. They are praying, please make us polite and make us successful. अगला वाक्य, नेक्स्ट लाइन, विश्व में हमें विशिष्ट बनाओ. What they are telling? विश्व में हमें विशिष्ट बनाओ. They are praying to God in this world. World means विश्व. What is the meaning of विश्व? World. In this world, make us विशिष्ट. What is विशिष्ट? विशिष्ट means special. They are praying to God, oh God, we should be always special. We should always be highlighted. So students, this line is telling विश्व में हमें विशिष्ट बनाओ. They are praying to God, oh God, please make us special and highlighted in this world. So बच्चों, हम ये अच्छे से पढ़ लेंगे. इस वाक्यों को हम फिर से दोबारा पढ़ लेंगे. वी विल रीड दिस पैराग्राफ वन मोर टाइम. विजयी बनाओ, विनयी बनाओ, विजयी बनाओ, विश्व में हमें विशिष्ट बनाओ. व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग? विनयी बनाओ, विजयी बनाओ, विश्व में हमें विशिष्ट बनाओ. सो दिस पैराग्राफ इज टेलिंग we are praying, oh God, make us polite, successful. We should be always be special and highlighted in this world. We should achieve more in our life. Next paragraph. अगली वाक्य की तरफ हम बढ़ते हैं. कष्ट से न डरे. What is the line? कष्ट से न डरे. Here we are telling that we should not get afraid of problems. Kast means what? Kast means problems. Here kast se na dare. Kast means problem. We should not be afraid of problems. अगला वाक्य, next sentence, दुख से दूर रहे. They are telling दुख से दूर रहे. We are praying to God, we should be away from sadness. Dukh means what? Sad or sadness. We should be away from sadness. So these two lines, what they are telling? There should be no problem. We should not afraid of problem, and we should not have any sadness in our life. Sadness should be always away from us. कष्ट से न डरे, दुख से दूर रहे. अगला वाक्य, नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, सुखपूर्ण जीवन मिले. व्हाट इज द लाइन? सुखपूर्ण जीवन मिले. सुखदाता ऐसा कर दो. सुखदाता ऐसा कर दो. They are praying that, oh God, please give us Sukhpurna Jeevan. What is the meaning of Sukhpurna Jeevan? Sukhpurna means happy. They are praying to God, give us life filled with happiness. So Jeevan means life. Sukhpurna Jeevan, life with happiness. Sukhpurna Jeevan mile. We are praying to God, give us life full of happiness. Sukhdata aisa kar do. They are praying to God. Sukhdata means God. Another name or another word for God is Sukhdata. They are praying, Sukhdata aisa kar do. Please God, do our life. Please fill our life with happiness. They are praying to God. We will read this paragraph once more. बच्चों, हम ये वाक्यों को एक बार फिर से पढ़ लेते हैं. कष्ट से न डरे, दुख से दूर रहे, सुखपूर्ण जीवन मिले, सुखदाता ऐसा कर दो. So this paragraph tells about we should not get afraid of problems. Sadness should not come to us. It should be away from us. Our life should be filled with happiness. Please God, do success in our life. Next paragraph. साथ रहो हमारे, साथ रहो हमारे, हे प्रभु प्यारे. Here the students, here we are praying that हे प्रभु प्यारे. They are praying, oh God. हे means oh. प्रभु God. Oh God. Oh God, our beloved God, please be with us. साथ रहो हमारे, हे प्रभु प्यारे. God, please be with us. Always you should be with us. Please support us. जग में सदा तुम. What is the line? जग में सदा तुम शांति भर दो. जग में सदा तुम शांति भर दो. They are praying again. They are praying. जग. जग means what? World. सदा, always. तुम, you. शांति, peace. भर दो, fill. Fill the life, fill the world with peaceful. They are praying to God, please fill the world with peace. So again we will read the paragraph. साथ रहो हमारे, हे प्रभु प्यारे, जग में सदा तुम शांति भर दो. This paragraph tells us, oh God, please be with us, fill the world with peace. तो बच्चों, हमने इस कविता को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लिया है. इस प्रार्थना की कविता को हमने पढ़ लिया है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव सीन द poem fully. Now we will read once more. The poem we will read once more. Fully we will read. विनयी बनाओ, विनयी बनाओ, विजयी बनाओ, विजयी बनाओ. विश्व में हमें, विश्व में हमें विशिष्ट बनाओ, विशिष्ट बनाओ. कष्ट से न डरे, कष्ट से न डरे, दुख से दूर रहे, दुख से दूर रहे. सुखपूर्ण जीवन मिले, सुखपूर्ण जीवन मिले, सुखदाता ऐसा कर दो, सुखदाता ऐसा कर दो. साथ रहो हमारे, साथ रहो हमारे, हे प्रभु प्यारे, हे प्रभु प्यारे. जग में सदा तुम, जग में सदा तुम शांति भर दो, शांति भर दो. तो बच्चों, हमने इस कविता को पढ़ लिया है, अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव रीड दिस पोएम, वी विल गो फॉरवर्ड. We'll read the meanings of this poem. One by one word we will read. बच्चों, हम इस कविता की शब्दार्थ को पढ़ लेंगे. शब्दार्थ लिखिए. Meanings of the given words. First word, विनयी, polite. I will read twice. One word I will read twice. विनयी, polite. विश्व, world. विनयी, पोलाइट. विश्व, वर्ल्ड. जीवन, लाइफ. जीवन, लाइफ. सदा, ऑलवेज. सदा, ऑलवेज. विजयी, सक्सेसफुल. विजयी, सक्सेसफुल. विशिष्ट, स्पेशल. विशिष्ट, स्पेशल. जग, वर्ल्ड. जग, वर्ल्ड. शांति, पीस. शांति, पीस. सो स्टूडेंट्स विल गो ऑन अहेड. बच्चों हम अभी आगे बढ़ते हैं. हियर द डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स. Here, what are the words which are difficult and what are the basic letters? How to read the words? I will teach here. बच्चों, यहाँ पर हम शब्द को कैसे पढ़ेंगे यह मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ. विजयी. How to read this? विजयी. So, V. V is how we derive V. V plus E. V. So, V. We are having V having the matra of E. So, V. Here the J is simply, it is not having any matra. So, it's simply having J. So, we will add with a letters means the simple vyanjan. It is not having any matra. Here Ya. Ya having the matra of E. Big E. Big sound E. So, it will be having E. So, how we will read the words? V, J, E. V having small e matra, J having the letter alone, Y having E matra. So, Vijayi. Next, Vishishta. How we will read this word? Vishishta. V having E matra, word having small e matra, so V. Sh having small e matra, she. Sh having t. This both letter are combined together. Sh and t is combined together. So we will read Vishishta. 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 Next word, Dukh. How we will read? The plus small u matra. Small u matra. The plus small u matra. Du. Kh having a. So dukh. Dukh. Next, Sampurna. Sa having small u matra. Su. Here students, dukh. Here it will be having a alone. It is by mistakenly typed. So kh plus a, not a. Kh plus a alone. So it will be having kh. Sukhpurna. Now we will see the word Sukhpurna. Sa plus small u matra su. Kh is alone. It is not having any matra. So we will just add with a. Kh plus a, kh. Pa is having big u matra. Pu. It is having big u matra. So we'll read pu. Here again, ra and na. Ra and na is combined together. So how we will read the word? Sukhpurna. Sukhpurna. So what are the words we saw? Vijayi, Vishishta, Dukh, Sukhpurna. तो बच्चों हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. We'll move on forward. More 4 letters I have explained here. Let's see. सुखदाता. S plus small u matra su. Kha is alone, it is not having any matra, so we will add with a. Kha. The here it is having a matra, so the plus a, da. Same. Ta having a matra, so we will add with a, ta. Sukhdata. Next, Shanti. Sh plus a. We will get sha, but we want that matra, so we will add with so we will get shan. Next, ti. Ta with small e matra, ti. Shanti. Again I will tell sh plus a, sha, and we want that dot which is matra, sham. Ti, shanti. Next, Prabhu. Pa plus ra. Here again it is a combined letters. Ip plus ra, Prabhu. Ba plus small u matra, bu, Prabhu. Mile. Ma having small e matra, mi. Ma is added with small e matra, mi. La having a matra, le, mile. So students, here we will be seeing the exercise related to this lesson. What is the exercise related to this lesson? तो बच्चों हम पढ़ेंगे अभ्यास. इस पाठ से जुड़े हुए अभ्यास को हम पढ़ लेंगे. खाली जगह भरो. So students, what is the meaning of खाली जगह भरो? Fill in the blanks. संपूर्ण डैश मिले. संपूर्ण डैश मिले. सुखपूर्ण डैश मिले. सुखपूर्ण. See students, here I have given the answers also. Fill ups and match it. I have given the answer. You can refer from here. सुखपूर्ण डैश मिले. What is the first answer? जीवन. सुखपूर्ण जीवन मिले. डैश भर दो. डैश भर दो. शांति भर दो. डैश भर दो. शांति भर दो. डैश बनाओ. Here the poem they have given 2 words, Vinayi or Vijayi. So we can write any one answer. Both are correct answer. तो बच्चों दोनों ही उत्तर सही उत्तर है. किसी एक उत्तर को हम चुनकर लिख सकते हैं. So we will select any one of them. विजयी बनाओ और विनयी बनाओ. 7 डैश हमारे. What is the answer? उत्तर क्या है? रहो. 7 रहो हमारे. 7 रहो हमारे. दुख से डैश रहें. दुख से दूर रहें. So students, we will read the sentence with its answer. सुखपूर्ण जीवन मिले. शांति भर दो. विनयी बनाओ और विजयी बनाओ. साथ रहो हमारे. साथ रहो हमारे. दुख से दूर रहें. दुख से दूर रहें. तो बच्चों हम अभी आगे बढ़ते हैं. सही शब्द से जोड़ो. स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट. मैच द फॉलोइंग. विनय. विनय means what? Polite. Here I have given the answer. Vinay, polite. Jeevan, life. Sada, always. Jag, world. Shanti, peace. So again I will read with that answer. Vinay, polite. Jeevan, life. Sada, always. Jag, world. Shanti, peace. तो बच्चों हमने यहाँ पर क्या पढ़ा है, हमने पढ़ा है खाली जगह भरो, सही शब्द से जोड़ो. So students, what we have learned, the exercise related to this lesson is fill in the blanks and match the following. So students, here I have explained the poem in English. What they are telling in this poem, I have explained it here. So we'll see the explanation. Why we should pray and what we should pray is explained. Why we should pray to God and what we should pray to God, it is told in this poem. So what we have to pray, we should be polite and special. We should be polite and special. And why should we pray? Why should we pray? We should pray to become successful. So there are two things they have explained in this poem is why we should pray and what we should pray is explained. So why we should pray to become successful, and what we should pray to be polite and special. Children, next we will see the explanation next. Children should achieve big in their life. For that we should daily pray to God. Yes or no? Yes. What they are telling, children should achieve big in their life. For that we have to daily pray to God. Next, prayer plays an crucial role in our life. What they are telling, prayer plays an crucial role in our life. Why it has a crucial role in our life? Because if we pray to God, we will surely get success. What they are telling, if we pray to God, we will surely get success. So in this lesson, so in this poem, what they are totally telling us, they are telling us importance of prayer in our life. What they are telling us the importance of prayer in our life. तो बच्चों, आज हमने पाठ क्रमांक 1 पाठ का नाम प्रार्थना, that means prayer. That poem we have totally read. We have read the meanings, we have seen its exercise, fill in the blanks, match the following, and then we have explained it in English. So this lesson comes to end here. तो बच्चों, यहीं पर मैं विदा लेती हूँ. धन्यवाद. Thank you students.